Here we are, April 16th, 2022. Our flight leaves at 6:45 p.m. We are at the airport. We say goodbye, we cry, and boom! Naples! Here we go. Not trying to be rude, but who would have thought, even though I grew as a professional, I improved all that I already knew how to do. Being at the lab was the least important thing about all of this. They were amazing people, though. I miss them every day, and I'm so grateful for them. But after everything we lived, saw, visited, stepped on, jumped on, danced on, it's hard to beat that. I mean, just look at all of these. I'm in love with Italy and the little things it has hidden beneath the surface. Those magical feelings it leaves you with, and that are one of the multiple things you miss once you have left. Not only Naples, I'm in love with every city that we visited. And I am more in love with the food. Oh my god, the food. We have eaten as we never had. Naples is the greatest for their food, and they know it. They demonstrate it every time. Doesn't matter if it's in a little bar or a fancy one, or if it's sweet or salty food, they deliver. However, Alba and I are chefs ourselves. Just take a look at our supreme dishes, and not just in the kitchen. Being there offered us a way to grow up and experience an independent life, and it was awesome. Alba is my adventure partner. You can imagine how many times have we laughed in these 2 months and how much I love her. She has taken care of me, and here I am. I was having a super hard time, as you can see. Well, in here I was crying, but it was because of my family. This noisy group of people that, just as my best friend, couldn't stop themselves and had to visit and gave me beautiful memories, just like the one from the picture from before. The moment I discovered that I'm going to have a cousin. And I don't know how time flew by, but it was already June 22nd and I was flying back home, so all was back to normal. Except me.